Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Jeep Compass Limited. This 4-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 126,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.